Every year at this time, we look at some of the things that make people thankful for ag. At a time when many rural hospitals are closing, Cooperstown, North Dakota is thankful for its new state-of-the-art hospital, clinic, and long-term care center.
In my opinion, I think a lot of it has to do with the teamwork environment.
Stephen Barlow is a family nurse practitioner at Dakota Regional Medical Center. Barlow says he loves practicing in a smaller facility in a small town because of the close collaboration among the staff and the personal care he can offer patients at all stages of life. But he says another vital function is that it's often the first stop in an emergency.
We know that in rural communities there are poorer outcomes because of lack of accessibility. And when minutes matter, having a place that can care for you, even if it's only to stabilize and get you to the next phase of your care, is essential.
The former hospital was aging and in danger of closing when the community stepped up to support the new facility.
Rural people take care of their people, and I just didn't have a desire to go where patients are a number. It was much more important to take care of people that you get to know their name and their family.
Amber Wogsland helped raise money for the new facility. She says it's great for patients to have convenient access to care, but it also benefits the whole community.
They know us, they understand us, and again, it's just one of those impactful things that isn't just happening here at the hospital or the clinic, but it's also helping within the community.
It is a beautiful thing to work in rural health, and I wouldn't do it anywhere else.
You can read much more in the next AgWeek magazine or at agweek.com.
Thanks for watching AgweekTV on YouTube. Make sure to like and subscribe. We put out new videos every Saturday.